Okay, welcome to my channel. This is Think Business, and my name is Oluwabunmi Alabi. I am a network marketing professional and also an independent real estate consultant. Okay, I help these two model of business to help individuals who are ready, who are willing, who are teachable and coachable, and ready to turn their anger, dissatisfaction for their level now to increase their finances. So I use this to add money into your bank account. Okay, if you are open to knowing more, I want you to check the WhatsApp connected to the description of this video and get in touch with me. Or better still, I want you to share and love and like this channel so that when next I'm uploading a new video, you'll be the first one to know. And I also want to increase the viewership of this channel to my first 1,000. So please, I beg you, try to like and share so that I can get the 1,000 viewership that is required for us to do a live video channel. So let's get into it. So today, I want to talk to you about building assets as against building career, building asset as against building career. Now, this requires what I call financial wisdom. Some other people call it financial intelligence. Okay, and that financial intelligence or financial freedom, okay, offers you financial freedom. The reason all of us go to school, get good grades, is because we need money and because we want to be free. Okay, don't want to be dependent on other people. We want to be independent. But unfortunately, most of us went to school, and then when we got out of school, we got good grades. We are looking for employment. There's no employment. 10, 15 years, there's no job. Most people are riding they are riding tricycle, they are riding motorbikes, they are doing many jobs after going to university. Okay, for me, that is a scam, and that is not the fault of the government or your parents or the school system or the school, your teachers or lecturers. That has to do with lack of understanding of how the economy works. So I want to give you some simple insight. Okay, so if you want more details, you want a detailed training for free without paying for it, you will do me a favor. You will share this video with at least 12 of your friends. 12 of your friends. And then you give me a feedback by dropping the comment below. And if those 12 friends of yours, they watch this video and they drop a comment too, I'm going to contact you and organize a detailed training for all of you for free, okay, and show you how to apply this information to increase your financial well-being. Is that a fair deal? Are you open to sharing that? Please do. All right, so let's get into it. Now, you need to understand the Pareto Law, which is the 20/80 rules. Pareto is an Italian economist who had died long ago, but the principle is still very relevant to us today. So the 20% versus 80% states that if you have 10 items, okay, or 10 activities that you carry out in your jobs every day, okay, it's only 2 of those activities that contributes or gives you 80% of your results. So the problem now is majority of people who work for organizations, okay, that is having financial problem, that is folding up, that is making companies or owners reorganize the structure of the company by downsizing, is because those employees are focusing more on the 80%, the 8 activities that gives them 20% results. So what you need to do is to ask yourself, what are the activities I need to do today, okay, that will take me to my set goals, okay, that will have had value to me. Why am I working? I'm working because I want to be paid. So what are those things that I need to do so that my employer will appreciate my job and increase my income, my salary? Is by identifying two things that you do on a daily basis that gives you 80% of the result. If you can identify those things, you can figure them out, and then on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, you focus on it throughout your life, you will get ahead faster than any other person who has not seen this video. So now, what are those things? If you can sit down and figure out what are those two things that I need to do to get me ahead in life, and you focus on it, you get better. Now, let me show you why many people are, not getting ahead financially. Okay, they're not getting ahead financially. Okay, so let me show you this one. This is a diagram I got from a book that I read. Okay, so this is a box. This is income statement. This is income. This is expenses. This is balance sheet, and this is asset, and this is liability. Okay, so you see now, if you have a job, you are getting salary from here, so this is your income. Now these are your expenses. Now your expenses, you are spending money maybe on accommodation, on transportation, on charity, utility, transport fare, clothing, medicals. So you see, you have all these things, but you have one source of income. So what happens to your balance sheet? Your balance sheet is that you have here asset and you have liability. What's asset? Asset is your savings, and here you have your liability, which are your expenses, the money you pay out. They are your liabilities. Okay, your assets, the money you pay, the money you pay into your bank account. So you see, when you get your salary, goes here. excuse me so the money comes into your expenses and comes here and it goes out. That's what they call cash out. Okay, you can see that. So majority of individuals who are struggling financially, they have little savings, whereas majority of their income goes into liability. Okay, so what is asset? Asset is something that you own or you don't own that brings money into your pocket. Liability is something you own or you don't own that takes money at your pocket. So you can see from here, looking at that definition, that money comes in here, goes into your expenses, and then comes here. What does it do? It goes out. That is cash out. And if you cash out every month, you have difficulties getting ahead financially. So let me show you the other side. So now you see, this is income statement and this is balance sheet. This is your income, probably from your salary, comes into expenses. Okay, so you now see this guy here. This is the asset and this is the liability. So this guy here understands what it means, okay, to have asset. So when the money comes in, you make sure that the expenses are limited, they are freezed. So the liability here is small. The money that is going out of his pocket is very small. So you make sure that when the money comes into, majority of the money that comes into the asset column to create more income. The money comes into his income here, expenses, and come here into his assets to go back into his income. Okay, so what does that mean? Every individual is getting ahead financially, understands income statement and balance sheet. So when the money comes in, make sure that the expenses are limited, are constant on a monthly basis, okay, which is the activities that you need to do on a monthly basis. So this guy is saving more money, and when he's saving this more money, he's coming back as that's his income. So he's saving more money. When he has 100% comes in, at the moment he's maybe he's saving 50% of it. So his asset will be longer than his liability. Okay, so that is how those who become wealthy and rich, they get ahead in life. Now, coming back to the Pareto Law, what you need to do is to make sure that on a monthly basis you increase your assets, not your liability. Increase your assets on a monthly basis, not your liabilities. That is how to focus on the 2% activities that increase your earning capacity. And so, like I said, I am a digital marketing professional, also a real estate consultant. So, what I do is that I teach people how to use their savings, okay, by creating a network marketing business, which is assets, okay, and also use the profit from that network marketing business to create more, to acquire more brick and mortars in real estate. Okay, so I am a network marketing professional on a part-time basis, such that I create more assets, more sources of income. So I'm not making money from just one area. I have other areas where I make money from. So because I understood the 2080 Pareto Law, creating more assets. So you need to fill this column with more of network marketing skills, profession, okay, like franchise, okay, like building real estate. And once you increase that on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, you can get ahead financially. So I'm looking for two people, all right, two people today, who will join my network marketing business, and I'm going to show you how to apply this financial insight to build a strong network marketing company. Okay, if you're that person and you are really not satisfied with your state of financial well-being and you want to improve on it, you want to move from a lower level to a higher level, please put away shame, put away what people will say, put away fear, put away doubt. Okay, knowledge is what will cure your doubt. Just drop me a comment on my WhatsApp number in the description below and drop me a comment, and then I'll get back to you to show you how to grow your network marketing business or your real estate business. I remain myself, Oluwabunmi Alabi. Thank you for stopping by, and God bless you.